Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to delete old message in WhatsApp after the time limit. As you can see, the message was sent at 12 noon and now it's 2 p.m. We can delete it. The first thing you need to do is to open the settings on your phone and put it on the airplane mode. After this, in settings of your phone, you also need to change your date and time. So I open it, scroll down, choose date and time, and here we can see it's set automatically. We just need to turn it off. As the next step, you just need to set the time when your message was sent. For example, I sent this message at 12, so I set the time 1 minute later. Let's set the time at 12 and 1. When you did it, you need to close WhatsApp and open it again. In this window, choose OK, then hold your finger on the message and choose Delete. Then we choose Delete for everyone. Now the message is deleted. You can turn off the airplane mode, turn on your Wi-Fi. Thanks you guys for watching, press the like button and subscribe.